Okay, today I want to discuss about this question. You realize that this question has some similarities with the one that I did previously on the P3 SASMO question. But there's something a bit different here. It looks similar, but has something a bit different. Realize that the first sentence, right? Over here, for here, it says 50 exercise book left, fewer than 50 exercise book left. But then for the SASMO, right? It didn't actually give you any number at all. It just give you broad sum rise. Okay, I will actually link out. I put a link to how I solved the P3 SASMO and then how to approach this question differently. Okay, so there were fewer than 50 exercise book left. So this is a very important thing. Usually what you do when you see things that are important, you highlight or you put underline. Fewer than is very important, so I box it out. Okay, at the school bookstore on Monday. So on Tuesday, 1/7 of the exercise book was sold. So what I know, right, on Monday, I wrote a bar here. I don't know exactly how many books I have on Monday, but what I know here is it's less than 50 books. Correct? Another thing that I know on Tuesday is 1/7 of the exercise book was sold. 1/7 which means that the total exercise book is 7 unit, right? So 1 unit is actually sold. So this 7 unit represent is actually the total number of exercise book on Monday. It's less than 50. It's less than 50 exercise book. So I can go to my 7 timetable. So my 7 timetable is 7, 14. Anything less than 21, less than 50, maybe the starting number of exercise book that I have. So 28, 35, 42, and 49. So these are all less than 50, right? What you can do is you can include all this in. For me, maybe I will just put the last 1, 2, 3, 4, the last 4 number. If I really cannot find that, I go to the last, the first 3 number, okay? So what I have on Monday, it may be, I have to do some guess and check then. On Monday, it may be started with 28 books, 35, 42, and 49. So we just follow the question. It said 1/7 of the exercise book was sold on Tuesday. So Tuesday, sold will be 1/7 times 28, right? Here is 1/7. So I have 4. So what was sold? Then what was left? What's left is here is 28 minus 4. I'll give you 24. And then here will be 35 minus 5, 30. And then here 36. And here 42. Okay? So on Tuesday is 1/7 sold. And then whatever left is 6 unit left, right? So on Wednesday, 1 book fewer than 49. This is very important. 1 book fewer than 49. 1 book 4/9 of 49, sorry. 4/9 of the remaining exercise. Of the remaining exercise book. What is the remaining exercise book? So if this is sold, so when you draw the bar, right? Come back to the bar. So if this is sold, this will be the remaining, right? And just this left. So now we actually move on to Wednesday, right? Wednesday. Four over nine of the remaining exercise. 4 over 9. Okay, what I have here is decimal place, so it's not. I drew this out, okay? This is also a decimal place, so I drew this out. Yes, this is a whole number, so I can. Oh, but this here is also a decimal place. So what I have is number of books. So it's actually fewer than so is one book fewer than 4 over 9. Here is 4 over 9 of the remaining already, right? One book fewer. So it's actually 15 books. Okay? This is what you know, right? But then what is left on Wednesday? Left. So Wednesday I start with, because Wednesday is whatever left on Tuesday, right? 36. And then I sold 15 books. So I have 36 minus 15, which give me about, oh, sorry. Sorry. Uh, yes, yeah, 36 minus, I have 21 books left. Okay? Let's come to here. So now I go to Thursday. Okay, let's see that Thursday. On Thursday, two more books, more than 3/7 of the remaining exercise book. So remaining exercise book is actually 21. So 3/7 times 21, right? Actually give me 9 books. So it's 9 books. So no, because I have two more than this. So actually this, right? Here is 3/7, here is 9 books, right? Here is actually 3/7 of the remaining of Wednesday, okay? So I have 2 more books. 2 more. So here, so in total I have 11 books sold. So in total, sold, right? On Thursday, 9 plus 2 is 11 books. Correct or not? So whatever left, if there's a need for you to calculate what is left on Thursday, because I started with 21 books, whatever left on Wednesday, I sold 11 books. So I will left with 21 minus 11 will give me 10 books. But the question didn't ask you for what is the total the number of books left on Thursday. So, but the question asked how many exercise book did the bookstore have on Monday? So when you trace back, right? So you trace back here. So you trace back here, right? It leads to Monday, you have Monday, you have 42 books. Okay?